Well, we've got an active day of weather ahead for your Sunday. It's going to be very warm, temperatures in the 60s, but it's also going to be very windy, and we even have thunderstorms in the forecast as well. Almost like a spring-like kind of day, but it's not going to be nice out there. But that's going to be associated with the strong cold front. So once that kicks on through, we're setting the stage for a cold week with below average temperatures for multiple days in a row. And with that, we're setting the stage for still what looks like a potential for some significant snowfall going to the middle of the week, something we're still going to be watching over the next few days to come. So in terms of right now, no wintry precipitation, but we still have some light rain in progress, especially north of Salisbury. It's spotty in nature, some more persistent light to even moderate bouts of rain crossing through Somerset and Worcester counties. So nothing especially heavy, which is good news for flooding concerns, but I would still plan on some wet weather for the rest of the overnight tonight. This is along a warm front, so once this lifts north, we'll get a break in the precipitation a bit for the morning tomorrow, and we're going to allow temperatures to warm up into the 60s. And then a strong cold front is going to be moving through tomorrow evening. And with that, there will be a slight chance for some severe storms. We do have a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for a severe thunderstorm that could produce an isolated damaging wind gust in excess of 60 miles per hour. Can't rule out a brief isolated tornado as well, but the chance for that will be low. Outside of storms, pressure gradient winds will still be very high. Wind gusts over 50 miles per hour are expected, so we do have a high wind warning in place for the entire peninsula in effect tomorrow morning, going through the evening hours. So definitely plan on some very windy conditions out of the southwest. Again, winds in excess of 50 miles per hour. And once the cold front passes through, winds will still be elevated throughout the overnight into Monday morning, but not as strong still. I would prepare for gusts over 40 miles per hour as well for the overnight on Sunday before winds gradually begin to die down for your day on President's Day. So here's Futurecast. Again, kind of a break in the precipitation for the morning hours. Once that cold front gets closer to the region, we will see another wave of showers and embedded thunderstorms at around lunchtime or so, and some of these storms could be capable of some heavy downpours. And again, we may have to watch for a few isolated severe cells with this push of rain as well. So just something we're going to keep an eye on. Again, though, pressure gradient wind gusts will still be very high, over 50 miles per hour. This is the actual cold front. Once this pushes on through, we'll set the stage for drier air to move in. And again, the winds won't be as strong Sunday night going into Monday. In fact, they will be gradually weakening for Monday, President's Day, going into Tuesday. So some good news on that end. But again, prepare for some periods of rain for tonight. It will be a wet one, temperatures rising into the 50s by tomorrow morning, and we will be in the 60s with those showers and thunderstorms and strong wind gusts as well. But notice how it gets a lot colder for this week. And then we're still watching that snow potential for the middle of this week. So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after the break.